Good day to everyone. My name is Sandra EGER and I'm working for AT&S in Leoben, Austria since 2005. I am head of the public funding team and we focus on funding management for research and development, as well as on IPCEI Microelectronics and communication technologies and other special funding schemes. Together with Gerhard Döll from Zeiss in Germany, I am leading the workstream Think. In general, the workstream Think deals with chips for processing and storing data. In other words, Think deals with the microelectronic value chain of energy efficient and secure data processing and data storage at all levels. This means in particular materials, software, tools, equipment, front-end and also back-end packaging technologies, chip design and fabrication, and of course the applications which are enabled. Within Think, there are 70 cross-workstream collaborations evenly split between Act, Sense and Communicate. Europe is a leader in materials and equipments and has expertise in chip design and manufacturing, in particular in RF, embedded memory, power and sensors to achieve a low-power system-oriented approach. Components for greener, safer processing are needed. System approach is essential. Within Think, we develop and deploy the latest generation of digital front-end and packaging technology chips and systems to keep Europe in the leading edge of this enabling field. Therefore, we develop and apply the latest families of materials, equipment and tools to support it.